And this is how the fry pan arrives. It's all neatly packed. And we'll pull this out. And as you can see, it's still coated in plastic. I haven't broken the seal yet. And here we go. Put the lid to the side and put it into here. Quite a bit of weight to it. Not bad. I'll put the handle on it in a few seconds. It looks like it comes with all the necessary tools. So we've got a couple of bolts, or a couple of nuts I should say, and we've got a little spanner, and of course the handle itself. Quite nice. It's not too heavy. So we'll assemble it and then come back and have a look and see what it looks like. So I've got everything together. You will need a screwdriver to get the screw in. The end of the little spanner they supply doesn't fit the groove. It's just that little bit too thick. So screwdriver for that. The handle fits perfectly. It's got a nice grip to it. Nice cool handle. You can pop this into an oven if you like. The lid's got a little vent on it. Goes together quite well. Overall, not bad at all. So I'm going to test out the pan and we'll get it started. That's generally enough. I'll drop it back. Throw a bit of oil in. Just be right. That's a little high, so I'll drop it back. And I'll put the lid over the top. It absolutely cooked perfect, no dramas at all. Great pan and quite easy to clean, as you can see. It won't take much at all.